Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a cultural art walk show in Ravindra Bharati on November 3rd and 4th, 5th will be the exhibition. Those interested can take part in the competition. Only in this week the registrations are open. The theme of artwork is Cultures of India. You can do on any art forms, Indian art forms, then festivals, then the mythology. This is my saree. I painted on Odissi dance theme. I had participated in Delhi in March for this type of competition. Now in Hyderabad in Ravindra Bharati, this cultural art walk show will be there, and there are participants of 60 years, then 50 years, and there are many professional artists who are participating, and there is a special artist who is above 80. Anyone who is interested in art can come and attend this show on November 3rd in Ravindra Bharati, Hyderabad, and the timings are 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. On 4th and 5th will be exhibition in Ravindra Bharati of these cultural artworks. Please try to come and encourage all the artists in this show. Those interested in learning professional art courses can contact me, and for more details you can click the link of my website in description and in about in my channel. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorial style, fashion. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.